Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So please let me apologize that we did not get a Tidy Tuesday video up last week, but I'm still adjusting to my new job and my schedule, and my filming schedule was a little bit off. Remember, I'm a single mom. We are in Taekwondo 4 days a week. I'm in Bible college once a week. I'm doing lessons and I'm prepping for my lady study. We're just busy, so we apologize. It's always in our heart to get our videos out, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. But that week is over and this is a new week. So welcome to this week's Tidy Tuesday. We are in our garage. If you're new to our channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name's Shakema. A couple months ago, I came up with this concept of the Tidy Tuesday. Maybe I didn't invent it, but it sounded good to me. Tidy Tuesday is just where you take 15 minutes and you take a high traffic area or a hot spot or a drop zone and you tidy that area. It is not a deep clean. It's kind of a little bit of spin-off of the Fly Lady, where you take 15 minutes every day to do something in your house. I just take 15 minutes on Tuesdays. One person did ask me, what do you do if you're working on a Tidy Tuesday and you don't finish the task? My answer is simple. If I have time, I finish the task. If I don't have time, I come back to it at another time. I don't leave a mess. So that's why you're not pulling everything out. You do a little bit at a time and then you come back to it. So today we're in our garage and we're going to be tackling our coupon stuffs. Now, since I've started keto, I don't have as much food items as I normally would have, but I do have quite a bit of household and personal sanitary products. So I'm going to be tidying this space, and we just thought we'd bring you along. And there you go, you guys. It is all straight, squared away. We have all of the laundry soap here. We have some fabric softeners. Then we go up to another row of laundry soap. We have all the dish soap, Lysol wipes, all of our teeth things, then all of the personal items. Some of those I'm going to be giving away. And then we have some hair things. So there it is. Only takes a few minutes to do. It's just a space that is bothering you that really needs just a little bit of attention. We didn't dust. I didn't pull everything off the shelf. I just did a quick tidy. So there it is, Tidy Tuesday. We hope that motivated you. If it did, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit that little bell, the way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you guys for stopping by, and we'll see you next Tidy Tuesday. Bye now.